Hey guys, today I am going to show you how you can add colorful sky in Photoshop in any pictures which had a sky blown out. So let's get started. And firstly, we have just two pictures. One of the colorful sky and other is a girl having yoga. By the way, guys, you can download these images in the description and you can practice at its own. So so let's start it. And firstly, just open the both images and select the move tool and click and drag the first image on the other, and it will just click and drag. And now actually we will just blend the both the images so that it can show up the sky of the second image and the subject of the first image. So for this I have to do blending option. So let's change the blending option to multiply and put a layer mask so that it cannot just disrupt the subject also. So we have to care about that it can only be visible on the upper part of the image. So just put a layer mask on it and a gradient on the layer mask so that it can be merged more realistically. So just hold the option key and click on the layer mask and it will show up the layer mask. And now select the gradient tool and select the gradient tool and select the linear gradient and make a custom gradient of transparent to white so that it can be visual like black to white transition. So just hold shift key and click and drag. It will make a gradient of black to white transition, and on the layer mask, and it will be already visible in the upper part of the picture. And I think it's fine. So that's it. I hope you find this video helpful, and if you feel so, please let me know in the comment section and subscribe to this channel for more awesome community roles like this. And thank you for watching. See you in the next.